Alright guys, welcome to a video with me, the Stonk Dad. It has been a while since I got on here to talk with you guys, and it's actually for a good reason. I have the little one next to me. I'm with them all the time, so first things first, my family comes first over anything. So I've been pretty busy with that. You can hear him down over here right next to me. Oh, it's kind of hard to see, but there he is. Oh, it won't focus. Whatever. Okay, my camera won't focus, but regardless, that's what I've been doing. I've been taking after the kiddos and also doing my intraday stuff on my own. So that's why I haven't been on YouTube very often, but I thought that I'd hop on real quick and give you guys a backtest video, which I have not done in months, I want to say. So I've had a couple requests to do them, so I figured that I'd do it real quick, under 10 minutes, so I can get back with my upset baby as he's crying during this video. So hopefully he behaves in the next 10 minutes or so, just so I can knock this out real quick. So we'll just get right into it, okay? So usually what I do for these backtest videos is I go over the convergence data on the TradeTix platform. So let me move scenes here. 1 second. Okay, so here's the chart for the TradeTix platform for the market net flow. You guys are familiar with my videos, and if you are not, I'll briefly go over what I do on a daily basis and what we're going to be doing in this video, okay? So if we go back to July 22nd, which was Monday of last week, we can go back and see the data that was on Monday and see how the market reacted to that data. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking screenshots of the market net flow chart here, and basically just going to see if these convergence flips down here were accurate in the market, and if we could have made money if we got into that side of the market. So if we went long, or we bought calls on the green convergence, or if we bought puts or shorts on the red convergence here, okay? So that's what I'm going to be doing, and then at the end of the video I tally it all up. And then I give a win rate of the convergence tool. So what the convergence tool does is it tracks the price action of the market, and then it compares that to the flow. So if the flow data is bullish and price action starts to go up, in this case you can see that the price action was going up in the morning with this white line, and then the green line, which is our calls in the market, bullish. You can see that the convergence lined up with that, and we got a nice move up in the market. And then on the opposite end, you can see when the put line or the bearish line starts to go up and they're above the green line, you can see that the market started to move down, and that red convergence caught that downward move. So that's what I'm going to be tracking, and then we'll see the win rate of that for the entire week. Okay, so right off the bat, I can just see that that one is a clear winner. Caught a nice pump up there right at market open from 552.50 all the way up to a little bit above 554. So that's about $1.50 move on SPY, which is pretty significant. And then it died down a little bit. It looks like it did flip green slightly right here, which you probably could have considered that one as a win as well once we bought them. It was really small, but it still was a winner there. So this one was really small where it flipped green to red, which is, you don't see that very often, but that's just because flow data was so close together. But nonetheless, it looks like this one might have been a loss. That one's kind of hard to tell, but I probably would consider that one as a loss, because it dipped down about 50 cents or so in the market after that, and then it flipped immediately red. So it looks like that red one did okay. It looks like you might have been red for a little bit before we got the nice drop in the market, but nonetheless, that one made up for that loss right after it. And then we saw the call flow flip once we started to go up, and we got that nice green convergence here. I'm just going to count this whole one as green, and you can clearly see that we had not a huge spike up in price, but I mean significant enough to count that one as a win. And then this one here probably was just going to be a break-even one. It looks like it did go up. Yeah, we'll count that one as a win. That one did go up pretty rapidly after that flipped green. So that one went up about 50 cents or so. So that one went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 out of 6. Not bad. So let me screenshot this and then post it over here so we can keep track. Oops. Let me make sure here that we have it. Okay. There we go. Bang. Okay, let's move on to Tuesday. Let's speed through these guys because I don't want to bore you. This video is just meant for you guys to see how well convergence works. Despite what the market conditions are doing, those convergence bars really help me. And I actually need to get better. I haven't been making these videos, so I haven't been reminded to actually start using it a lot more. So this is actually a really good video to be making right now because I need to start looking at it more. So that one is a clear winner there. You can clearly see that, and then this one as well. What a banger. So that one, a little bit awful arrow, but roughly about halfway up that trend up, but that was a good one there. W. And then this one here was a really good one as well. Right there, win. And then this one probably might have been a loser or just chopped out. We'll just not count that one because that one, either you would have gotten out of break even or slightly in profits probably on the gray convergence flip there. So that one went 3 for 3. Not bad for Tuesday. Okay, that's Tuesday. Let's pull up Wednesday. Wednesday the 24th. The baby's doing pretty good for me. Awesome. Okay, Wednesday the 24th was the super bearish day. Look at that. Oof. Okay, so we pretty much had red convergence the entire day, so these are going to be huge bangers. So look at that one right at market open or shortly after market open. You can see a little bit of gray there, but we pretty much just trended down all day. So this one was a clear winner. It did go gray slightly there, but then flipped back about there. So that one was a winner too. And then it looks like maybe this one might have been a loser. It's really small. Yeah, we will count that one as a loss just because it slightly went up there, maybe about $1 or so. Now this is a big range, guys. So this went from 549 all the way down to 540. That's about a $9 move in one day. And then obviously that little loss made up for a solid banger there. That one went from about 545, 544 or so, all the way down to that 540. So that one went 3 for 4. Questionable about that one loss, but we'll give that one a loss. We gotta take losses sometimes, guys. Okay, Wednesday was a heater. Let's look at Thursday. Oh, I'm almost done, baby. I don't know if you guys can hear him. Okay, Thursday was a little bit rough for flow. It looks like similar to Monday where we flip-flopped around a lot. So this one, probably not going to count that one because it was the first 15 minutes. This one here probably was going to be your loser because it flipped too late. Maybe if you would have gotten in right at the red convergence, but pretty much bottom there. I do remember catching a short there in the morning. But other than that, if you're just strictly going off of conversions, you probably would have to take a loss on that one. So we will count that one as a loss. This one here, this one actually caught almost the very top here before we started to head down. This small red there. So we will count that one as a win. And then right here, shortly after that dip down, we got green convergence, big green convergence on that move up, 542 all the way up to 548. It's a huge winner. And then we flipped the back bearish. Is when we flipped red here, and we caught the nice move down on red. Pretty crazy. And then this one too. Wow, I didn't even see this one. Look at that. That one is a huge win. So that one went from like 544 all the way down to 538 at the end of the day on that last red. So it looks like one loss and 4 wins. So that one went 4 for 5. I'm almost done, baby. Don't complain. I don't know if you guys can hear him. Okay, so that's Thursday. Let's take a look at Friday, the last day. This is going to be a really big week, guys, for convergence. I can already tell. Only a few losers. Okay, so here is, so this one was a little bit rough. It was choppy in the morning on Friday, but we did have nice bullish flow come in. And it did flip-flop around from 542 to 543 quite a bit, and then we move on up to 545 on that green convergence. So I will give that one to it, even though if you're like a scalper, you probably would have lost on that one, or if you're impatient or so, but that one still worked out. We weren't counting that one. That one's too small. But this one here is a really big winner, this big green convergence right there. And then this one probably is going to be your loser, small, but you can tell that it trended down. And then this green one here is going to be a small winner, it looks like. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 3 for 4. Don't complain, little guy. Hold on, guys. Let's try to get him to calm down. Uh-oh, and now the little 5-year-old's here too. I'm trying to make a video, Osby, so let me finish up here, okay? I'm almost done. Okay, 3 for 4. So let's calculate all this. So we had 6, 9, 13, 18, 22 trades of convergence flips. And we had 3, 7, 10, 13, 18. 18 divided by 22. So that had a 81, I don't know if you guys can see this, but 81, oh, it's flip-flop, but 81% win rate on convergence flips and trades for the entire week if you just strictly took the green or red convergence trades. So we had an excellent week. Hopefully it's the same as we continue this next week going into August. Super excited to see what's going on. So I hope you guys have an awesome week. I will see you guys in the next one.